Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Hope you're all well. I am fine too. Today we will learn particle A and eseo, which is very important if you want to have conversation in Korean. This word is used more and more in conversations, and it has different uses that you should know. If you know it, you can use it very easily. This small word may look simple, but it is used all the time in Korean. It mainly has three important uses: location, time, and direction. First, let's talk about location. When you want to say that something or someone is at a place, you use a. For example, 집에 있어요. I am at home. 학교에 가요. I go to school. Second, let's look at time. When you want to talk about when something happens, you also use a. For example, 월요일에 만나요. Let's meet on Monday. Another one example, 5시에 와요. Come at 5 o'clock. Third, direction or destination. When you are going to a place, you also use a. For example, 한국에 가요. I am going to Korea. 시장에 가요. I go to the market. So remember, a can mean at, in, on, or to, depending on the situation. Now let's compare a with another similar particle eseo. A is used to show a place of existence or a direction. eseo is used to show where an action happens. For example, 학교에 가요. I go to school. And for eseo, 학교에서 공부해요. I study at school. So something are different between the two. I am sure you understand this, but if you still have any confusion, you can ask me. Don't worry. So that's it for today's lesson on the particle A and eseo. It is small but very powerful in Korean grammar. Keep practicing with these example sentences, and soon you will be able to use it naturally in your conversations. Thank you very much for watching the entire video. You will not understand things until you watch it completely. I will try my best to upload at least 4 videos in a week. So keep practicing. I am also doing it. I will try to teach you something from myself. Keep learning. If you keep learning, you will be able to speak as much as possible one day. Learn as much as you can. Until the next video, Allah Hafiz. Inshallah, see you in the next video.